How to connect the Sonos speakers to iPad. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your Sonos speakers to your iPad in just a few minutes. Whether you are setting up for the first time or just switching devices, I'll guide you step by step to get your speaker up and running. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the Sonos app. First, go to the App Store on your iPad. Search for Sonos app and tap download. Once it's installed, open the app. Step 2. Turn on your Sonos speaker. Plug in your Sonos speakers and wait for the LED to start blinking. That means it's ready for setup. Step 3. Set up a new system. In the Sonos app, tap Set up a new system. Sign in or create a Sonos account if you don't have one. Step 4. Connect to Wi-Fi. The app will start searching for your speaker. Once found, tap on it and follow the instructions to connect it to your Wi-Fi. Step 5. Name your speaker. You'll be asked to give your speakers a name, like living room or bedroom. This helps you identify it later, especially if you have more than one. Optional. Use AirPlay. If your speaker supports AirPlay too, swipe down on your iPad to open Control Center. Tap the AirPlay icon and select your Sonos speaker. That's it. Your iPad is now streaming the Sonos. And that's it. This was the quick and easy way to connect your Sonos speakers to your iPad using the Sonos app and AirPlay. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.